Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a surprisingly easy version of chicken katsu. It's going to be baked in the oven for a healthier approach, but it's still going to be crispy, tender, and delicious. Let's get started. First, I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees, and here I've lined my baking sheet with foil for easy cleanup. Now the secret to that amazing crispy texture is toasted panko breadcrumbs. In a skillet, add 3/4 cup of panko to the pan, along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Turn on the heat to medium and toast them for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring constantly until they're a beautiful golden brown. Panko can burn really quickly, so during this process, I don't step away from the stove. Once they're golden brown, I'll set them aside in a shallow dish to cool. Let's get our chicken ready. I'm using 1 boneless, skinless thigh for the demo, but the breading ingredients I prepared will easily coat 4. These thighs are ideal since they stay tender and flavorful. Try to use larger thighs if you can find them. They'll be extra juicy and take to the breading nicely. Let's season them generously on both sides with kosher salt and black pepper. Now for the breading. I have 2 tablespoons of flour in 1 shallow dish and a beaten egg in another. For a lighter approach, we'll just bread the top of the chicken. Dip the top side of the thigh into the flour, then the egg, and finally press it into the panko for a nice, even coating. Place it panko side up onto your prepared baking sheet. Pop the chicken into your preheated oven for about 35 minutes or until cooked through. Now it's time to plate the chicken. I like to serve tonkatsu sauce on the side because it keeps the chicken extra crispy. If you're buying it, I recommend kagome for its bold, tangy flavor, or bulldog for a sweeter option. I grew up on kagome, but both are delicious. If you can't find them, I'll link a great homemade tonkatsu sauce recipe in the description. Cheers! That is really good. It's crispy, it's tender, you're gonna love it. And you're not gonna feel guilty about it either.